Hi, I'm Chris Kurt from Dish Network, and I'm here towing our Dish Outdoors products that we have. This is a Dish Tailgater Pro made by King Controls. This is a satellite dish that you can put on your RV or your camper. It's automated so that you can log on to your set-top box, look at it, put in where you're at, put in some information like your zip code, and it'll automatically start to peek in the sky to find the satellites. Once you've done that, you can connect and on here and allow you to watch television just like you would if you were out in your home, but outside. So if you want to, you go in here, you can go into your programming guide. You can allow for you to see all the different channels that you have. You just say, hey, all right, I'm at Tailgate. I want to go to ESPN and watch, maybe College Game Day or Sports Center or something like that before the game starts. You can tune to that channel, and it'll tune right to it. It automatically tunes to the right satellite location in the sky, and so that way you can see what's going on there. From this perspective, the Tailgater Pro is actually kind of a cool product. This allows for not just one, but two Wally set-top boxes that we have to be connected so that, for example, if you have an RV that has two TVs, you can have both of those individually powered and individually controlled so that you can watch one thing in one room while seeing something else in the other. So this is the Tailgater Pro from King, and this is our Wally set-top box from Dish. And thank you for dropping by and come and see us at the booth. You can visit us at dishformyrv.com. Thank you very much.